Okay, so this is a video to discuss the merits of Starquad cable versus normal balanced cable. We have a test set up here using an RME ADI2 Pro. We have configured this in loopback, so its output signal is going through about 6 meters of Mogami. If I can get it in focus, Mogami 2549, which is what we use in our interconnect cables, and back to the input. The RMA is configured at plus 13 dBu, so signal levels are representative of typical balanced domestic system. So I'm just using RU to set up a simple test. We're looking at the signal coming in from the RME. We're applying a 1 kHz minus 120 dB FS signal just as a reference. And you can see the noise floor is generally around about minus 160 dB. And this is a 128K FFT. So as you can see, there is no mains pickup here at all, or any spurious signals. You would expect, this is a 50 Hertz territory, so you would expect to see 50, 100, 150 and so on if there were any issues. So let's do a similar thing to the benchmark video. Mobile phone charger. Let's plug it in. Do we see any difference on the FFT? We've got 32 averages in play here, so we'll leave it for a few seconds to catch up. Nothing. No change whatsoever. And that's actually exactly what I would expect, because the switching frequency of the switch mode mobile phone charger is way above the audio frequencies, so I just wouldn't expect it to appear. Okay. One of our amplifiers. Again, switch mode power supply, operating around 100 kilohertz. Do we see any difference? Nope. No change. So, being switch mode, that's what I would expect. Let's use something that's got a standard transformer in it. So this is just a bench power supply. It's got a nice large transformer. Let's turn it on. Let's see what we get. Now this one we can see, we can actually see a change. Let's have a look. So we're getting 150 Hertz signal at minus 145 dB. Well, I don't consider that an issue. That's going to be completely irrelevant. And if you route your signal cables in any sensible fashion, it just won't happen in real life. So let's take that away. Yeah, 150 Hertz is gone. So, under normal circumstances, any normal circumstances in a domestic environment, Starquad is just not necessary, in my view.